Hey, this is Pierre Delaco talking. Do you know Whiteboard? Do you know that you can use Whiteboard in a Teams meeting, but also you can add a whiteboard in your team? That's what I have here. It's a blank whiteboard so far. So let's see what we can do with a whiteboard in a team. So actually, you can create a lot of things. I think you know that you can create notes, text, shapes, reactions. You can insert image. You have a bunch of templates, and there's more and more every day. So you can choose the template you want depending what you're trying to do. So really, if you want to find the template to brainstorm with, it's a list of impressive list of template that you can position in your whiteboard and work together and zoom in, zoom out. Um, so you can for each template, each object, you can add a reaction. So let me go back to, where should I go back? Here. For example, you can add this reaction, you like this topic, etc. So that's pretty useful. The templates are pretty useful. Let me delete this. If I can select it all up and delete. But what's interesting, I just discovered actually, you can insert documents. So it will browse in your recent documents, you can browse in your My Files, you can go in your Teams, and you can actually insert PowerPoint or PDF, not Word, not Loop, not anything else, just PowerPoint and PDF. So if I take a PowerPoint, for example, this one, and I select it, I will see the slides. So it will try to discover all the slides that are in the PowerPoint, and I can say I want to discuss some item here to brainstorm with the team, maybe one infographic or two, and maybe a few others, what they think, and I can insert that, and now I have my slides here, and we can say what we want on the slides. We can add a note on the slide. Trying to select this and move it. Can zoom. You can, same thing. You can add reactions. What slide do you like? I love this one. This one. Um, this one is not very clear, etc., etc. So you can insert slides coming from a deck. So you can lock an image so you don't make people move what you're working on. And finally, you can also put a video that comes from a website. So here I think I have a video in my paste, a YouTube video. So I can insert the video here, and you can show the video directly in the a hard time to select everything. So you really can work on a lot of things and brainstorm together asynchronously or synchronously. You don't have to be all the time there. You can write, you can draw, and there's all the features that you already know. There are the features to add some content. You have the shapes, for example. Here you can draw a shape here like that, select a shape. But also what you can do is you can, let me select, you can draw a circle and it will see that it's a circle because actually I said enhance ink shape. So it knows that when I drawing something, I'm trying to do a shape. If I don't want to do that, if I want to draw a bad circle and it stays a bad circle, I just have to deactivate that. If I want to enhance the ink, I can, and it makes a perfect triangle. So there's a few features in Whiteboard that are very impressive, and also you can work together and you'll see the cursor of the person or the individuals who are working with you. You will see where they're working with their name. Hope this was helpful.